be prepared, and that snow is coming down into the lower elevations here tonight and tomorrow. Helena right now, just some raindrops outside in the valley, 44 degrees. Great Falls, 46 degrees, and the wind almost that strong, 43 mile-per-hour gusts. 30s and 40s. Lewistown already down below the freezing point. Lewistown, you got a nice little snowstorm headed your way. There are the winds, and the winds will be getting stronger through the night. And then tomorrow, as low pressure drops into the state, we'll see very strong wind. East Glacier out across Chester, the High Line to about Havre, Great Falls, Judith Basin County, Lewistown, and we've got snow coming down with this wind here. The wind will die down a bit as we go into Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, but all the weather alerts here for tomorrow. Tonight and tomorrow, a blizzard warning. Not a good idea to drive around East Glacier or try to go up Marias Pass below 5,000 feet up to about 5 inches of snow, above 5,000 feet, 14 inches potentially, with wind up to 80 miles per hour. Difficult travel. Browning, not in the blizzard warning, but there will be some difficult travel conditions there down to Hart Butte and Cut Bank. You can see down along the Rocky Mountain front. And this does, the blizzard warning, include Rogers Pass tonight and tomorrow. Great Falls, you're under a winter storm warning. Up around the Sweetgrass Hills, Chester, under the winter storm warning. Just south of Havre, the higher terrain near the Bear Paw Mountains, the Little Rockies, the Judiths, the Big Snowies, the Highwoods, and the Little Belts under this. The Little Belts could see as much as 2 feet. The Big Belts, the Divide, and the Rocky Mountain front, generally about 6 inches of snow. Helena is not in a winter weather advisory or winter storm warning, and we're not under the high wind warning, but we will have pretty strong wind as well. So there's the storm. There's the precipitation starting to move in here already. A little rain in the valley, having a little radar issue here. A couple of sprinkles perhaps around Great Falls. Snow levels are lowering down below 5,000 feet. Snow up on the Rocky Mountain front. Snow at Rogers Pass, McDonald Pass, and Marias Pass. It's going to be a difficult drive tonight and tomorrow. A little snow up into the Bear Paw Mountains right now, but the center of low pressure is still up kind of in the Canadian Rockies, and that will drop into the state through the night into tomorrow. So some showers. Now around Helena through the overnight hours, some heavy snow squalls potentially, but Helena tomorrow morning is okay. Will be quiet. Some snow will be developing through the morning hours in Great Falls. Look at that snow coming down. Havre as well. Helena snow midday it starts to develop. And then we've got snow through the afternoon, through the evening. Of course, it's election day tomorrow. Lewistown, a very snowy afternoon and evening. Snow winding down through Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We'll have some sun come out, and that'll help melt some of the snow on the roads. But by tomorrow morning, snow mainly in the mountains through the day. Some snow into north central Montana. And then a little bit more as we go through Tuesday night into Wednesday. Central Mountains getting hit the hardest. But Helena, probably a trace out in the valley, 3 inches in the hills around town. Great Falls, maybe as much as 5. Lewistown could see up to a foot. East Glacier right about there as well. And there are the mountain passes. Kings Hill, maybe as much as 20 inches in the mountains. I know it's a wide range, but some of the mountains will only get 4. Some will get 24. Here's the forecast for tonight. So a little spotty rain and snow. It's not going to be bad here or around Lewistown until tomorrow, or around Helena really until tomorrow. The Continental Divide, though, we will have snow tonight into tomorrow. Here's the forecast for Election Day. Snow and wind. Snow moving south through the morning hours into the afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon across a lot of the state, very difficult travel with snow and wind. Worse in the mountains, worse over the passes, and we will clear out as we get into Wednesday. Great Falls, snow developing through the morning hours tomorrow afternoon and evening. Very snowy, but look at that. We're up into the 50s, even 60 degrees by later this week into this weekend. Helena, tomorrow morning it's quiet. Tomorrow afternoon, that snow starts to come down and starts to